Hey G12, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool Amazon right here, and basically what these are some vacuum sealed bags. If you see the one that we got right here is from a brand called Spacesaver. And if you guys remember in the past, I actually reviewed a bunch of these bags before, and it ranges from like medium, large, and also like jumbo size, which is what we have right here. So the cool thing about this bag is the fact that when you guys do use it for like your mattresses or like your blankets or anything else, it actually helps you guys compress it like a lot to the point where you guys can save a lot of space. I've been using these for a really long time, over like half a year already, and it's been working really well. And I almost used all the bags, so that's why I purchased some more. So you see right here we have the jumbo, and this side we have the large. And you see the one that we got right here is a pack of 5. But like I mentioned before, they do have this available in a bigger or smaller pack. So there's some of them that come with 10 and some of them that come with like 8, some of them comes with like 4 and etc. So depending on how many you guys need, that is up to you guys, but they're all basically the same thing, it's just different size. I tested a few other ones from different brands before and they didn't work too well. This is the only brand that works the best in terms of the vacuum sealing option, where it compresses it all the way, so that way none of the air can come out, and that way you save a lot of space. So if you guys take a look at the back, they do provide you guys instructions to teach you guys how to set up and how to use it. And when you guys do purchase the product, they provide you guys like a hand pump option, and also like this little clip option where you guys can zip it on top, so that way you can fully seal the product and prevent any air from coming out. So you see right here, I have one that I've already been using, and this is the 8-pack large. Like I mentioned earlier, they do have this available in many different types of size and different like type of packs. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But basically inside they do provide you guys like the instruction manual to teach you guys how to set up and how to use it. They provide you guys a hand pump like I mentioned. But for me, honestly, I don't use the hand pump. I use like a cordless vacuum to actually vacuum seal it, and I'll show you guys what I mean in a second. Inside they provide you guys this little clip that I was talking about, where you can use it to seal up the top part of the zipper option. And the inside only have one more of these like bags. I believe this was like a medium or small size, but I'll open up in a second. But you see I only have one more left, so that's why I purchased some more of these, because I've been using this a lot. So that way you can fully compress the product and save a lot of space, which is really convenient. But let's open this up to show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so here is basically what the product looks like. If you see it on top one right here, they mentioned how this is a small size. So I believe this is one of the smallest size I purchased a while ago. If you see how they mentioned it's 40 centimeters by 60 centimeters, and it's from the brand called Spacesaver. So like I mentioned, the way how you guys use it is basically the same way for all of these different sizes. Whether you guys get the small, the medium, the large, or jumbo size, they all work the same way. First thing I'm going to do is open the bottom part. Once you guys do that, you guys want to put your stuff inside. And when you guys put your stuff inside, you guys want to make sure it goes above this line. You don't want your stuff to go past this line, otherwise it won't really work. You guys want to use this accessory to fully seal it up, which is on the bottom right here. And then once you guys do that, you guys want to open up this cover. And then once you guys open up, you guys can use the hand pump, or you can use a cordless stick vacuum to vacuum out the air from the actual product. And then once you guys are done, you guys can seal it back up. And that's all set. So you can see it's actually very simple and very easy to use it, but I'm actually showing you guys an actual test to show you guys how it works. Alright, so here is one of the bags that I have the pillow in. If you can see, the one that I got right here is a large size, and the one that I just showed you guys earlier is a small size. So once you guys put the pillow inside, what you're going to do is fully seal it up. So we're going to use this little accessory right here to seal it up. So you're going to stick it in on top right here, and just seal it up. And you guys want to do it one more time just in case. Once you guys do that, you can take it out. And you guys want to open up the cover. Once you guys open the cover, you guys can use a hand pump, or you can use a cordless stick vacuum like this one right here, and just suck out the air. So obviously when you guys do it, if you guys put it on a flat surface, it'll work a lot better. But for this test, I want to show you guys how it works like this. So if you guys turn it on. Alright, so you see how much of the air got sucked out. And also for our side, if you guys look from the side. And for top part right here, if you see how it goes above this line, so you probably want to fix that first, otherwise the air will come out. But basically once you guys are done, you guys want to put that on the cover. And it's all set. And then now you guys can store it anywhere you want to and save a lot of space. So that is basically how you guys use the product. If you see, it's actually very simple to use it. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and test the product. Now to end question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So after using this product for over half a year, I still have to say that it's pretty worth it, especially if you guys have a lot of stuff that you guys want to save a lot of space, especially if you guys have a lot of pillows, blankets, or anything else. And if you guys want to save space by vacuum sealing all the air out from the actual product, so that way it can look something like this, instead of like the fully inflated pillow like the one you guys just saw, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.